Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of credit cards and how you can use them to boost your bank account. If you're ready to learn the top 6 ways to make money with credit cards, then stick around because we've got some valuable tips coming your way. Remember, this is not financial advice. 1. Cashback rewards. Let's start with a classic favorite, cashback rewards. Many credit cards offer cashback incentives for every dollar you spend. The beauty of cashback rewards is their simplicity. You earn a percentage of your purchases back in cash, which can add up to significant savings over time. Some cards offer flat rate cash back on all purchases, while others have bonus categories that earn higher rewards. By strategically using your credit card for everyday purchases like groceries, gas, dining out, or travel, you can rack up cashback rewards on items you would be buying anyway. And the best part? If you pay off your balance in full each month, you'll avoid interest charges and truly maximize your earnings. It's like getting paid to spend money. Talk about a win-win situation. Before we go to our second tip, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 2. Sign-up bonuses. Next up, let's talk about sign-up bonuses. Many credit card companies offer generous sign-up bonuses to entice new customers. These bonuses typically require you to spend a certain amount within the first few months of opening the account. However, if you're strategic about it and use your credit card for planned expenses like rent, utilities, or large purchases, you can easily meet the spending threshold and score that bonus. Depending on the card, sign-up bonuses can range from cashback rewards to travel points or even statement credits. Just be sure to read the fine print and understand any annual fees associated with the card before signing up. While sign-up bonuses require a bit of upfront spending, they can be incredibly lucrative and provide a nice boost to your bank account. 3. Travel rewards. When it comes to leveraging credit cards to pad your wallet, few strategies are as enticing as travel rewards. Picture this. For every dollar you spend, you earn points or miles that can be redeemed for various travel-related expenses, from flights and hotels to rental cars and even experiences. It's like earning free adventures with every swipe of your card. But here's where it gets even better. Many travel rewards credit cards come packed with additional perks beyond just points. Think airport lounge access, travel insurance, and waived foreign transaction fees. By strategically using your credit card for your travel expenses and capitalizing on bonus categories and sign-up bonuses, you're not just saving money. You're unlocking new experiences and memories that might have otherwise been out of reach. 4. Interest-free financing. Let's talk about interest-free financing. Ever heard of 0% APR introductory periods? These are like golden tickets for making large purchases or paying off existing debt without worrying about pesky interest charges eating away at your finances. With these promotional offers, you can enjoy a blissful period where interest is simply a non-issue, allowing you to focus on your financial goals without the added burden of high interest rates. Whether you're eyeing that new laptop, planning a home renovation project, or consolidating debt from higher interest accounts, interest-free financing offers a window of opportunity to save money and take control of your finances. Just remember to pay off the balance before the promotional period ends to avoid any unpleasant surprises down the road. 5. Rotating bonus categories. Some credit cards offer rotating bonus categories that change every quarter. These categories typically offer higher cashback or rewards points for purchases made within them. For example, one quarter might focus on groceries, while another might highlight gas stations or streaming services. By keeping track of these rotating categories and adjusting your spending habits accordingly, you can maximize your rewards earnings. It's like having a roadmap to where your credit card can earn you the most bang for your buck. Just be sure to activate these bonus categories each quarter and pay attention to any spending caps or limitations that may apply. 6. Referral bonuses. Another lesser-known way to make money with credit cards is through referral bonuses. Many credit card companies offer referral programs where existing cardholders can earn rewards for referring friends or family members who successfully apply for a new card. These referral bonuses can come in the form of cashback, points, or statement credits, depending on the card issuer. By sharing your positive experiences with your credit card and referring others, you not only help your loved ones discover a valuable financial tool but also earn rewards in the process. It's a win-win situation that allows you to leverage your network and pad your wallet at the same time. Now that you know the top 6 ways to make money with credit cards, let's discuss some tips for maximizing your earnings. Stay organized. Keep track of your spending and payment due dates to avoid late fees and interest charges. Use multiple cards strategically. Consider using different credit cards for different spending categories to maximize rewards. Pay off balances in full. To truly make money with credit cards, it's crucial to pay off your balances in full each month to avoid interest charges. Take advantage of special offers. Keep an eye out for special promotions and offers from credit card companies, such as bonus cash back on specific purchases or limited time rewards. By taking advantage of these strategies, you can further maximize the earning potential of your credit cards and put more money back in your pocket. Whether it's capitalizing on rotating bonus categories or tapping into referral bonuses, the key is to stay informed, stay organized, and use your credit cards strategically to reach your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching.